so tiny, yet so busy. But why do their honeycombs have those funny six-sided shapes?
Ah, that's a sharp eye. Those shapes are called hexagons. And believe it or not, bees are nature's little mathematicians. Let's peek inside their world.
Whoa, it's so shiny, like walls made of gold.
Yes, it's the bees' incredible work, but they have a clever challenge: how to build hundreds of tiny rooms using the least wax.
Bees make it from their bodies and shape it carefully to store honey and babies.
So say they had to find the perfect shape?
Exactly. Nature loves perfection, and bees found it. Look here. If they use circles, there are gaps. If they use squares, they waste wax.
But hexagons, they fit perfectly.
No space wasted, and strong walls too. Years later, mathematicians proved it. The hexagon covers the most area using the least material.
So bees know math, pick the smartest shape, the hexagon.
Yes, bees are nature's genius. Nature always finds the best design.
They're tiny, but so smart. I'll never see a beehive the same way again.
Yes, sweetness on the outside and pure geometry inside. Follow and subscribe the CurioZone.in, where every why finds its wow.